Hello, my name is Asli Ahmed and I am your Atlanta Realtor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's vlog style and I'm taking you with me as my brokerage, Indigo Road Realty, goes on a brokerage caravan. We started off in the Southern Crescent, Fayetteville, and we toured a few luxury homes by Rod Wright. It was such a good time. Such a good time. You will see it. I mean, we had an amazing time. They had it all laid out for us. Food, music, everything. It was a great time. And the product, right, which is the most important part. The product that they are building is absolutely amazing. Luxury homes, some of them sit on up to 12 acres. Yeah, I said it, 12 acres. Now, of course, it's going to cost you, but you can't beat having 12 acres. So I'm taking you along with me. Please disregard the beginning of the video. I didn't have my mic, so it was really low. So I just wanted to at least hop on here before the video starts. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of food, a little bit of drink, but a lot of food. And it was a good time. It's always a good time when I'm with my team members and our broker, Egypt Sherrod. So enjoy the video. Make sure that you like, comment, and definitely subscribe.
Today I'm going on a caravan with my office, Indigo Road Realty. We're going to visit different communities in the South Atlanta area. So Fayetteville, we're going to Triliff, we're going to visit a new community that our office is, the sales team will be ahead of the sales team. We're on with the team.
I do sexy red. Just go and get the sleep first.
And I love this coffee shop.
These are really cute.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
To Fayetteville next year. And so you see what's happening already. And that just tells you once the World Cup comes, attracting millions to Atlanta, how this area is going to explode.
For sure.
So they're trying to build as much as possible, even event spaces right now. But you know, if you have clients who are like, what's the next high place? I mean, you're still like 30 minutes to the airport, you know, so this is
Hello, I had to get this outfit. How are you?
Hi, beautiful.
Okay. This is too cute. Y'all are too cute.
I think of a better place to be other than being New Orleans, because that's where I'm from. Look like y'all trying to set the atmosphere right for a good party. You are in the right place to understand what's transpiring here in Fayette County, Fayetteville specifically. We are trying to make sure people understand that Fayetteville and Fayette County is a great place to live. It's a great place to build. Because this is an atmosphere where it is truly wonderful for families.
Indigo Road Realty. I just wanted to ride. I know you were a little shy. Come on up here. We just want to, number one, say how proud we are to be representing Ride Homes as a family, but also to officially and formally embrace Jennifer and Yolanda, who have been a part of our family for months now. It feels like you guys have been with us since the beginning. We absolutely adore you, but to just simply say, beautiful job.
Yes.
Beautiful job.
Yes.
Just this entire welcome, the boots on the ground. I should have had dance lessons first, but from the food to even the mayor being here, thank you all for this warm welcome. To the
walking. Oh Lord, this is the closet. This is the size of. Wow, this is beautiful.
They look to build here. We show. I got you right here. Got 3 left.
I'm good, thank you.
Last stop.
I'm
It is cold.
A unique marketing collaboration. And we're so grateful for Egypt and Indigo Road allowing this marketing collaboration to work with Society Atlanta. PMG is their property developer.
First trip is over. Everybody tired. Everybody full. That was fun.